Hello, and welcome to my messy garage. I am supercharging my Saab 97X with this Cadillac STS V Supercharger. I want to show you the modifications you have to make this work. Fuel rails, I am making them. I'm gonna sell a couple kits as well. But this piece goes onto this like so. And there's a big little hump that sticks over this with the nipple on it, you know, for a vacuum line. And you have to cut it off. You can see I cut mine off. And I actually just did this at my house. That's why it's not perfect. But I'm gonna be welding a plate on there. So, oh, I found it. So this is like this. And so, cut off with the disc wheel like that. And then I'm going to just be welding a plate onto this, and then we'll have to modify the cables for the bypass solenoid thingy, whatever you want to call it. And then I'll show you what it looks like with the adapters on. Oops. Sorry, it's a little messy. Oh, and that sun's super bright. Let's see if I can block it. But these are the adapters. Oh, they're so nice looking. I got those all bolted on and tight, nice. Head bolts, nice aftermarket head bolts. As you see, I did have to cut that up there, but I'm be welding this shut, so I won't have to deal with any issues from that. So yeah, that's it. I'll do some more videos as we getting that on. Still got a few more things to do up here, as you can see. Waiting for my electric fans to show up. New AC, condenser, bolt everything back on, get the supercharger on, tune it, and we'll have a supercharged 97X. So right now, I just got done doing the nice new 243 heads. They are all ported and polished. I don't know if you can see down in there. Ported, polished, and then I did BATR dual valve springs, hardened push rods, new oil pump, a cam. They had a bunch of stuff. So yeah, I didn't record all that because there's a million videos on there, and I was like, yeah, I don't want all this retention. So, and it takes a lot of time to record, so I was like, screw it, too lazy. But yeah, that is all done. Deleted DOD, new lifters. So engine's all freshened up, ready to go. And now we'll just have to get the supercharger on it, and we'll be making some decent power.